Hey, what is up guys? My name's Luke W and I got an awesome video for any intermediate and beginner Amazon sellers out there. I've been selling on Amazon for almost 3 years now and I haven't had a job. I quit and fired my boss all those years ago, and I've been able to live kind of on a passive income lifestyle, making money through the internet. So if you guys are interested in any of that, making money online and Amazon FBA in particular, please consider subscribing to my channel. I've made so many videos that I think a lot of you guys can relate to. I'm just a normal guy out here and I think a lot of you guys can do this too. So without further ado, the number one main problem I think many beginner and intermediate sellers make on Amazon is the fact that they believe that they only need one product. Everyone's always focused on, I need that one product. That one product is gonna be great. And having all your eggs in one basket and all that mindset focused on one product is gonna lead to a catastrophic failure if, for instance, Amazon decides to remove your listing, or you get bad reviews, or you order too much inventory and you're stuck with it. So there's so many issues that go into the fact that people think that just having one product is gonna be the make or break deciding factor. And let me elaborate on this, please, because I've made this mistake. I had one of my top listings that was making me $30,000 a month from just one product get totally evaporated because of certain keywords I had in my listing that Amazon thought made my product a professional medical device. So I fought with them, I showed them all the paperwork and everything, they weren't buying it. And really when you get into a feedback loop with Amazon like that, it's a really bad vicious cycle where they'll have automated emails get sent to you and you're never really gonna get your problem solved, even when you try and call seller support. So in the end, I had to make a whole new listing and start over from scratch. But my listings now are doing great, and I'm gonna expand on the fact of why I went ahead and diversified into having many other products. So you guys can see in just the past week, I've pulled about $3,000 in sales at about a 45% profit margin, which is great, as well as the fact that I also sell higher ticket items. You see I've only made 5 sales yesterday as I took the screenshot from yesterday, and I've made almost $550 in revenue. So I prefer having higher ticket items, and that's one of the products that I had that was making me so many sales, but then Amazon shut it down. So I've now expanded to having different tiered levels of products. So I have some lower price products that are $20, I have a $40 product, and I have a $100 product, and I also have a $160 product that makes $70 profit per sale. So I've learned to diversify and have my eggs in multiple baskets. So if one product goes down, I still have income coming in from other sources. And that's so important for you guys to think about right from the get-go, and not just to think that everything is riding on one product, because you need to realize that you have so many other product opportunities just waiting for you to go test out. And that's again why I like to tell everyone, hey, go just order 100 units instead of like 500 units of a product, and just get that first initial test batch in and see how it works for you. You'll have plenty of time with just 100 units, even if it sells very fast, to reorder inventory, and you won't have so much that you've invested half your life savings in to start this whole Amazon FBA bonanza that everyone's been freaking out about so much lately. So that's kind of my word of wisdom for you guys. As 3 years of selling, you know, I had some great products that were killing it, and I'm still selling them now. I just had to rearrange my listing and my keywords. But if you take away one thing from this video, I just want you to know that you have more opportunities than just one product. My first product, it was neodymium magnets. It was very strong magnets. They had a low profit margin, but it was something that I could get my feet wet with and start learning Amazon. And the best part was I only spent $500 to get 100 units of this low price product to get into Amazon, to figure out how to optimize my listing, to worry about Amazon pay-per-click advertising. And if you guys have a second to stick around, I'll pull this up on my Instagram. You guys can see here, I spent like $67 to make 880 in sales. Oh, and this is the next photo, but I'm actually out here in Mexico in Puerto Vallarta. So I was doing a little cruise thing yesterday, crazy sunsets, screenshot from the sales from yesterday, but I'm all about just trying to get the word out that you guys can do this and it's not a scam. Like, so many people are thinking, oh my gosh, like courses are scams. Kevin David, he's putting fake numbers out there and all this stuff. There's even a dedicated YouTube channel to calling out gurus, saying that everything they do is a scam. And in reality, guys, all the information, yes, it is for free on YouTube, but when you do enroll in a course, usually you'll get mentorship. Now, you're not gonna get that from these hot top ranking guys that don't have time to talk to people because they have so many students. But you're gonna have all the information in the course, and it's ultimately up to you guys behind the computer screen to do with it what you will and to make the most of it. So everything in this whole entrepreneurship business as well is our fault. Like, you can't go blame anything on someone else. It's always up to you, and that's the number one thing, is you got to take responsibility and careful actions. And the number one thing I did to stay efficient in the beginning was to not spend a lot of money up front and not get pissed off if I lost any money, because I was playing with so little on the table. Like, I had $500 invested in my first product. That's not the end of the world. And it leaves me to have more money on the side and a higher morale going into the next product if I didn't spend so much on the first one. So there's literally so many products out there, and people also ask, is Amazon dead or saturated too much? The answer to that's just no, because there's so many new product opportunities popping up every single day. There's so many variations of different product bundles that you can make. Like, I can sell a phone case with a screen protector and maybe make a 2-pack of that, or something like that, a his and hers. There's so many variations, and it's ultimately up to you guys to just get creative with it. So I wanted to bring this to you guys just to let you know, don't let everything ride on just one product. And I hate to see when people come and message me, and oftentimes they've never taken a course, they just kind of threw up a product and hope it was gonna work. And I look at their listing and I'm like, yo, there's so many different optimizations you can make. And that's one of the benefits, again, to having a course and a mentor, which I do offer. And that's what I'm there for, to help you guys get the confidence so you get a product and you're not wasting a lot of money up front, so you can get something in there, see how it works, and then later build your way up to these higher ticket products that's gonna make you more profit with just a few sales. So I think you guys can definitely handle this, and I do recommend that you guys look into an Amazon course, and I've actually just updated mine just 3 weeks ago with 4 hours of extra content, totaling a 10-hour Amazon course. So it's got everything you need, but more importantly, it's got me on the other side of your computer screen that you can actually call, and I give my phone number to pretty much all the students that ask for it, and you guys have me at your disposal for phone calls and me to give you that confidence boost to push you over the edge. So if you're interested in that, definitely go check out the link in the description, and even go message me on Instagram or Facebook, guys. I'm posting constantly there, student successes, my own success, all that stuff out there, guys. So another little video I made, which is called Fail Forward into Success. It's me at a skate park. I'll link that video up here for you guys, but it's talking about how school teaches people to be failures, and really failure is a part of life, and it's the best way that you can actually learn something. So you need to fail forward until you know what's gonna work, and then you ultimately succeed. And if I gave up after my first product, I would nowhere near be where I'm at right now, guys. I had to stick with it through thick and thin. Right now I'm actually out here in Puerto Vallarta, chilling. We got a crazy view out here, and none of this would be possible. I'd be working at a 9-to-5 job or something crazy like that. Instead, I'm chilling out here in a crazy, lavish location. So this is the kind of stuff you can do when you get to work from anywhere in the world and you're in charge of your income. So I definitely want you guys to take a leap of faith going into 2020, make this your year, go big, and just do it, guys. Like, you guys have all the opportunity at your fingertips to make as much money as you want right from your cell phone. It's all up to you guys, and I'm here to help guide you along the way. So don't let one little failure deter you from a life of success. And if you want to take it into real perspective, go look at Thomas Edison, go look at all these famous billionaires or whatever that had to fail thousands and thousands of times before they became real successes. It's so much easier nowadays when you have the internet, because people are out here like me trying to guide you guys and get you successful, so that I can then share your stories with the rest of my following and all that stuff. So it's a win-win scenario. So that's going to be it for this one. I hope you enjoyed. Please drop a thumbs up on it and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And go check out the link and just go look at my course. It's $500. It's $1,500 less than a lot of the other courses on the market. And I'm actually there to give you a mentorship opportunity at the end. So that's it, guys. It's up to you. Let's make 2020 our year and hammer it big time, all right? We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.